Home remedies for frizzy hair. For many, frizzy hair is a daily battle. For others, it can be an occasional problem. In either case, it is frustrating for those who want shiny, silky and bouncy hair. Frizzy hair can look dull and be very difficult to style. 1. Coconut milk. Put 2 tablespoons of coconut milk in a small pot and heat it until warm. Make sure it doesn't get too hot and burn. Apply the warm coconut milk on your hair and cover your head with a towel. Leave it on overnight. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Mix equal amounts of water with apple cider vinegar to reduce its acidic property and use it as a final regular rinse after washing and shampooing. 3. Olive oil. Heat up 1 cup of olive oil. Apply the warm oil on your hair, evenly distributing it. Cover your hair with a shower cap and wrap a hot towel around your head to increase moisture absorption. Leave it on for 4. Avocado. Mash 1 ripe avocado, add a little olive oil, and mix it well. Shampoo your hair, and then apply the mixture throughout your hair. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour. 5. Bananas. Mash 1 ripe banana with a fork until there are no lumps. Mix in 1/4 cup of yogurt. Then add 2 tablespoons each of honey and olive oil. Apply the mask all over your hair and scalp. Put a shower cap over your hair